Okay, let's be honest. We've all been on this platform scheduling posts. We've all been over here scheduling posts, and you pretty much know exactly the nightmare that you have to go through when you're working with these. One of the biggest problems that I find with both of these platforms when you're trying to schedule is trying to stay on top of everything and pretty much keep everything organized. For me, it's a massive thing. Organization crucifies me up until I suppose this tool that I got over the last 6 months was called Blotato, and the reason why is now there is no more this forgetting to post, missing posts, post not working. How many of you out there have actually scheduled a post through Meta Planner for Facebook and Instagram, turn around and one, it not go out, or two, for some reason or another, text all gets all jumbled up for whatever reason. Again, just absolutely drives me mental. Same with TikTok. You go to upload videos. You sometimes it'll work. It'll upload all your videos you want. Other times it won't. Then it's trying to remember what's posted and where it's posted. And this is exactly why I decided to pretty much set up this workflow for using Blotato. Now, what's this got to do with you? You're probably thinking, well, for most people, the big problem here is you try and get AI to do 10 different things for you. Instead of it getting it to fix one little problem, you try and get it to fix 10 different problems. What ends up happening is you probably end up fixing no problems, but it probably end up making more problems. Again, look, be honest, be real about it. Most people do this. Again, so what I want to do is quickly show you exactly what I would do. If I'm sitting in your position, I'm a business owner, I'm struggling day to day to keep on top of everything. My first task I will fix is creating content or scheduling content. Simple and straightforward. Why? Is because every single person you talk to from a marketing profession is going to tell you, are you active on social? If the answer is no, they're going to instantly say, be more active. Again, it doesn't help you if you're struggling with content or struggling just maintaining, I suppose, content. So we're going to kind of tackle that from both angles here. So first things first, what I would do is get Blotato. Why? Because scheduling content makes it a million times easier. Once you have Blotato, again, the link should be down in the description below. We can then easily go along and start scheduling our content. How we're going to do this, we're going to use Claude for this. And everything here inside of my own Claude system I've already built. And I'm going to just give you an overview of how it actually does it and what way it works. If you're interested in learning more how you can really, I suppose, build out these entire systems yourself, definitely look at joining the community. I have a call every Monday basically covering this, and what I'll be doing today is actually uploading a video today on diving deep into using Blotato and setting it up. So what I do and the day to day here is pretty much simple and straightforward. I create my pieces of content, I record them like I normally do, and from there what happens is I get AI to edit. Now again, I've made hundreds of videos on 10, 15 videos on editing videos using AI. Why? Because it saves me a problem. I'm not getting AI to do something stupid that doesn't make sense to me. It saves me a simple problem. So with that, they all get added into my outputs folder. And in here, you can see straight away, this is content that I've scheduled out for the next 2 days. The reason I only do it in small batches, it's simple and straightforward. I forget. Simple as that. But the thing about it is one simple prompt now has made me, what has it got me? 2 days of content? Are we? Today's Tuesday, so Tuesday and Wednesday content is pretty much done there for me. And one of the key things is 2 slots I think I have set up for these. So again, absolutely perfect for what I want. And if we quickly go back over here, you can see up here in the very top, I pretty much told it schedule a post for today and tomorrow. Please send me 2 days of content and make sure to send to YouTube. Again, perfect. With that, we are 100% ready. We are ready to go. All our content is already scheduled out. Now, if your problem is obviously creating the piece of content, this, I suppose, opens the doors to, like as I said, new problems, but it's not really a problem. The only problem you can get from content is just not producing it, not making it. You're going to look at accounts, and I'm going to bring it to my own account. You can see my views here. They're not amazing. They're not great. And I'm the first person to admit that you need to focus a bit of time on your whatever channel you want to be. One of the reasons why I said my own views, they are crap. However, when you test different things, that's when you start to see what's working. You can see here from this image, these ones here, I've tested, I think, on one day, probably 10 different shorts. So you can see from here, I'm wearing a yellow t-shirt, and thank God I'm wearing a different one today, but I'm wearing a yellow t-shirt, and I think that day I might have created 15 different shorts. Why? Because I was testing lots and lots of different things. And obviously you can see there's 1, 2, and I think there was another one somewhere that, no, actually, sorry, there's only 2 there that have actually got really good views in terms of basically from my testing. How did it get views? It's just trying something different. So you can see here, I tried something different, red text, and then obviously I just muted here. I have red text, I have movement, and again, worked out perfect, got me more engagement, and that's one of the key things, or more views. That's one of the key things. This was just a funny kind of meme one. Again, 34. I seen this on YouTube. I was actually in yesterday getting my hair cut, and with this, it pretty much generated, got a made for myself. And again, got me lots of views, lots of likes, and a few comments. There is another one. Here's another one we tested. This was a test for comments, and again, this is what I really like about Blotato now, is I had the opportunity to set this up, increase your traffic by over 145%, and you can see here all the different comments of people. Pretty much every single one of these now have followed me, and again, grown the account, but also I can see what works. So I'm starting to already see that people really like numbers in posts, in things like this. So 100 views beat 100,000. Again, there's no, I suppose, determination or determined factor here that really stands out. However, here, increase your traffic by over 145%. Really specific, real, focusing on website traffic. Again, save yourself over 10 hours per week using this. Again, comment Falcon. This is obviously editing my videos, so anyone that comments on this, and if we quickly go over to Blotato, you can see automations up in the top. And if I scroll right down to the Badger one, and you can see it here, we have 13 actually times it was triggered, so 13 completed, and pretty much you get this message saying, make sure you follow me, blah blah blah, and once they follow you, you're good to go. I have another one with Falcon that I done, and hopefully it'll load up here. Here we go. This, I think, was only after being run. Yeah, so this is 9 times this has been triggered, and is completed by 5 people. So obviously some people never mightn't have followed, but again, it's a great way to actually grow. Now, look, I went off, I suppose, topic a little bit there, and one of the key things here is people are always questioning how to create content, what to create. Just create stuff. Don't overcomplicate. Take out your phone, simple and straightforward. Take out your phone, record yourself talking. If you're on Instagram, open up the Instagram edits, give it a quick edit, publish it, see what happens. If it's something and you have access to trial reels, do trial reels, because trial reels will massively help you really test different things, see what's working and what's not. At this moment in time, I can't show you on this because I can only access trial reels on my phone. I have, I think, 5 different trial reels running, and once I get anything that gets over maybe 700-800 views, I then push it to my main wall here, and that's it. All I'll do now tomorrow is I'll probably make this video again, reword it differently, see what happens again with trial reels, and see does it push it any further. And I think this is one of the key reasons and key, I suppose, ways you approach it. With marketing, everyone gets hung up on trying to get the quick bullet, I suppose, the magic bullet's going to fix every problem. It's not. Break it all down to smaller pieces. For you, if it is content and it is creating content and scheduling content, well then all you need to do is simply record, get the likes. You can schedule all your content. At this moment in time, I think I'm nearly up to date with content. So outputs, and if I go to scheduled here, you can see my reels. I have 3 reels at the moment ready to go, and that's it. I'm finished with reels. I'll have to do another batch recording day, which I love doing now. I can easily sit down, I can record 10-15 different reels on different topics, then do my trial reels, and then I can give it to AI. AI edits it all for me, and pretty much I am good to go. So look, it's a little bit different, a little bit of a rant, I suppose, a little bit of an overview, but stop getting swamped by trying to worry about what to do, when to do it, and not really know what to do. And again, if you're still struggling to understand how AI can come into your business and your marketing, definitely look at Giant AI Marketing Hub. Again, I offer a free 7-day trial. Any premium members, which is premium membership, I think is $23, give or take, gets one-to-one calls, 30-minute sessions. Pretty much I have an open slot calendar there for those sessions if anyone's interested in taking advantage of it. So look, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great one.